Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y22s and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. But first open your phone dialer, then choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, select edit and click on the camera icon. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, and I would like to pick something from mine. Then choose the album from which you want to select it. And just apply the picture that you want to add to this contact. Then select the app with which you want to complete cropping picture. And now you can customize the picture. You can zoom it in, out, crop it, then tap on confirmation mark and click on save. So that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to the contact that you set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.